How to
boss
make
lady here with another
guacamole.
cooking video. So we're gonna be making some guacamole. So girls, boys, we're gonna take these avocados. I took 5 of them. I opened them up and I like them ripe. And we're gonna put them in this bowl. Then once we do that, we're gonna take our jalapeno peppers, y'all, and we're gonna chop them up, like dice them real tiny. And I take the seeds out of them, right there. See them? Then I take my cilantro, cut it up, put it inside there. And you want some red onions. People call them purple, but I call them red. Whatever you see fit. Then we're going to mix. Take our limes, squeeze 2 limes inside. And then we're going to take our salt, add some salt with that. Boom, 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 boom. Mix it up. And then we're going to take our sour cream. Do like, not even a lot. Mix it in. You know guacamole is so good when kids can eat it. This right here is bomb.com. I bet y'all if you make it, take it to a party, they'll love it. I'm telling you, my kids love guac. And a lot of kids and adults don't like guac. So I'm trying to show you. Kids say it's kid approved. Good. So make that.